WRAP is a not-for-profit charitable organisation in the UK. In this webinar, we will be looking at the work WRAP has undertaken to support the public sector in Wales to improve resource efficiency and achieve associated benefits. WRAP's vision is a world where resources are used sustainably, and WRAP are recognised as world leaders helping organisations to achieve this goal. WRAP focuses on being authoritative and knowledgeable and prides itself in being an independent voice. It has a record of success, for example, reducing greenhouse gases by nearly 50 million tonnes between 2012 and 2015 in England alone. WRAP achieves this by providing information, tools and data with practical advice that helps governments, public sector organisations, businesses and consumers to act, providing a safe, non-competitive space where organisations and individuals can share best practice and collaborate to deliver change. WRAP aspires to excellence in everything it does and has achieved ISO 9001 certification for the design, development, management and delivery of programmes and projects which provide resource-efficient solutions. WRAP's 5-year plan sets out how organisations and individuals can be part of a resource revolution that will reinvent, rethink and redefine how we use materials, how we design, produce, sell and consume products, and what is possible through reuse and recycling. WRAP believes the future is about enabling organisations, businesses and individuals to move away from the take, make, use and discard model of the linear economy towards a resource-efficient, more circular economy. Recognising that organisations of all kinds must transform the way they work and use fewer resources to make the products and services we rely on. These ambitions are delivered by direct interventions, including business support, technical advice, training, funding, communications and guidance. WRAP's work with the public sector in Wales has focused on the implementation of sustainable procurement models. This initiative recognises the role and influence of the public sector in Wales and the opportunity to drive change both within the organisations and through procurement, driving change across their supply chains. WRAP was asked by the Welsh Government to help achieve targets as set out in the draft Public Sector Waste and Resource Efficiency Plan. The plan is intended to work in alignment with broader Welsh Government policies such as the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act and the Environment Wales Act of 2015, providing a roadmap for the sector to drive improvements in waste and resource efficiency and achieving the objectives of the Towards Zero Waste strategy. The public sector is encouraged to rethink the way it procures goods and services, delivering a step change in its approach. The WRAP project is delivered in collaboration with Value Wales and the National Procurement Service, as well as academic partners and other organisations engaged in resource efficiency and procurement. The project acknowledges the scale and importance of the public sector in Wales and its impact on the economic, social and environmental aspects of Welsh society. It recognises the ability of the sector to realise significant benefit in these areas, whilst improving its own efficiency and productivity. The public sector can lead by example in procurement and environmental best practice, using collaboration between public sector bodies to explore opportunities for improved efficiencies. Through public sector procurement, businesses in the supply chain will be encouraged to develop more sustainable products and services, adopting reduced resource efficiencies within their own organisations. The project is intended to act as a catalyst, helping influence actions that inspire and lead to culture and organisational change across the public sector, enabling them to make informed decisions that support delivery of organisation and Welsh Government goals. The support provided will encourage the adoption of circular economy principles, enabling public sector organisations to develop new business models that respond proactively to sustainable development principles, focusing on procurement of services and solutions rather than products, and introduces opportunities for recycling and reuse. The support helps organisations to identify and prioritise procurement categories for action, taking account of the level of spend, potential risks, and scale of benefit that could be delivered. Pilot projects will report on carbon dioxide emissions avoided, resulting from reductions in consumption and waste arisings, increased reuse of products, reductions in landfill or incineration, and the use of recycled content in products. New waste management strategies, procurement frameworks, policies and practices will be developed with the public sector organisations engaged with the project. Further details on the projects and the successes achieved can be found in the following contact details.